Another experiment that's a lot of fun to do is to make your own switches. And for this you're going to need an index card and a couple of brass fasteners and a paper clip. You also need something to turn on and off, so don't forget your battery pack with your alligator wires, and something like an LED, a motor, a buzzer, whatever you like. Okay, I'm going to do it on this pink sheet of paper here so you can see the contrast. So the first thing you need to do is make your switch. So put your other items aside. Now in order to make a switch, you need three things. You need the thing that you're going to switch, this paper clip, and you can open the paper clip to kind of form a V shape. Okay? And what you're going to do is take your brass fastener and open it just a little bit so you go on either side of the paper clip. So if I hold on to the brass fastener, I've also got the paper clip too. Okay, it's in there. Put it all the way up to the top. You're going to stick your brass fastener through the paper. Okay? And then open it up on the other side. Just like that. So on this side and on that side. And the paper clip stays put. Now here's the trick. You've got to put this brass fastener through the paper and open it up on the other side as well, but it's got to be in a place that doesn't hit this but does hit the top one. So it doesn't hit this lower, smaller loop, but it does hit this larger loop on top. And the idea is you're going to push down and make contact with that brass fastener. So I'm just going to put it just out of reach of the smaller one, but definitely in reach of the larger one, just like this. You see how the smaller one gets close, but it doesn't quite touch, but the top one does if I push down on it. So the switch is open, the switch is closed. Now on the back, make sure you don't have this happening where both of them are touching, because that bypasses the switch completely. So you want to rotate them. You can even use a piece of tape here if you need to keep it from moving. Okay? This is a normally open switch. That means there's no conductivity until you push down and then electricity flows through. Let's give it a try. So to hook this up, you're going to need to hook up the positive to one side and then grab a third wire and hook that onto the other brass fastener. So I've got one on each brass fastener. That's my switch. So now I've got two free leads. For me it's the negative, the black, as well as the yellow. I'm going to hook in the thing that I want to switch on and off. I've got my LED, and I'm just going to grab one side with each alligator clip. Okay, and when I take my switch and I push down, the light comes on. Off, on, off, on. If you're doing this and you're finding this doesn't light up, switch the leads, because remember it is picky about plus and minus. Okay, so this is a regular switch. Now you can modify this switch to be a switch that you don't have to keep pushing on, simply by making it back the way it was, the paper clip back the way it was when you first had it, meaning that these are both in line with each other, just like it is out of the box. And so now when you slide this to touch, I can let it go and the light still remains on. And then to disconnect, I open the switch. On, off, just like that.